To find the conjunctions, always begin verb, verb, verb. You see, tricks is a verb, are is a verb. So there must be a conjunction between. But this sentence, there's no conjunction. So we decide a conjunction. It tricks our brain into thinking. There are many choices for conjunction. If you don't know which conjunction, just write that. It's the most common, and it's easy to use. That minty foods are cold. Now, so that's number one, conjunction. Number two, prepositions. Delete preposition. Into is preposition. Delete the prepositional phrase into thinking. There. Number three, adjectives, adverbs. Oh, lingering is adjective. So delete lingering. Oh, icy is an adjective. Lingering, icy. Number four. Oh, we confused. Number three, delete verb ing. Phrase. Leaving a feeling. So we have to delete all this, the whole phrase. If be leaving, am leaving, was leaving, were leaving, it's a verb, don't delete, but there's no be. No be. You see? Only if, no be. There's no be. So, it tricks our brains is a noun. So that's 5A. 5A, noun. That minty foods are cold. Cold is an adjective. That's a D. D, adjective. So, next sentence. Dun, dun, dun. I have heard people say there are different types of spicy. Well, heard is a verb. Say is a verb. Are is a verb. Where are the conjunctions? There must be conjunction between verb. Conjunction. Verbs are between. Conjunction is between verbs. Well, here. So we have to put, insert, write, conjunctions between these verbs. Here we are. I have heard people. Because it's people, conjunction will be who. Say, which conjunction here? When we don't know which conjunction, just write that. It's usually a good answer. I have heard people say that there are different types of spicy. Number two, prepositional phrase. All of spicy. Of is a preposition. So we delete of, spicy, prepositional phrase. Verb ing, to verb number three. No. Number 4, adverbs, adjectives. That there are different. Oh, different is an adjective, so we have to delete. So, I have, modal verb, heard, main verb, people, 5a is a noun. Who say, now there's no object or complement, so say is intransitive verb, although some people argue all this is the object of say. No final answer. There are types. Types is a noun. 5a. Types. There has got to be specific descriptors. Now, this is an American guy. They speak wrongly. They write wrongly. They love to use the word got. It's not necessary. They got this and got that. Too much got in American English. The real sentence is there has to be more specific descriptors. But is it there has to be more specific descriptors, or there has to be more specific descriptors? Because if it's to be, number 3, we delete to verb phrase. So we would delete all the to be more specific descriptors. If. So the sentence would be there has. Has is not a intransitive verb. 5b is wrong because has is not intransitive. So the answer must be this one. There has to. Has to means must. There has to be. So has to or must is modal verb. Modal. And be is the main verb. Number 4, cut adverb and adjective. Specific is adjective. More is adverb. So finally, the sentence, their subject, has to, modal, be main verb, descriptors is a noun. So it's 5a. Last sentence. Maybe you are right. Spicy does a good enough job of conveying that general feeling. You are right is a clause. This dash acts like conjunction. Its function is like conjunction. Spicy does a good enough job. Now, number 2, delete prepositional phrase. Of is a preposition, but delete the whole phrase. Of conveying that general feeling. So we have 2 clauses. You are right, conjunction, Spicy does a good enough job. Number 4, delete adverb and adjective. Maybe is adverb, dealing. Good enough is adjectival phrase. The two words together are like a big adjective, and job is the noun. It's already gone. So